All right, roasted pumpkin seeds. Here we go. You have your pan. Put your parchment paper on it. All right, that's done. Then you're going to rinse your pumpkin seeds in a strainer to help get some of the pumpkin gooey off. Next step, clean the seeds in your somewhat clean sink. I'm gonna need that in a moment, aren't I? Yeah, I'm gonna need that. Oh well. I get another clean one. Everybody get in the bowl! There we go. Shit. Close enough. Rinse it to get some of the sticky off. Ah! Gently, gently. Ooh, look how pretty they are. Alright. I'll let these drip dry for about 10 minutes. I kind of like that sound. Alright, let those sit to dry for a few minutes. Okay, while these are sitting here, run your fingers through them. And I've taken out most of it, but if you come across chunks of pulp, just get that out of there. Oh, there's a piece in there. I mean, it doesn't have to be crystal clear, but you know, it'd just be easier later on. I'm going to have a clean towel here, and I will just pat the bottom dry just to get the drippies off and help it dry a bit more. A few more minutes and they should be good to go. While all this is happening, preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Or somewhere around there. I've heard different numbers. Alright, we're back after a few minutes of just sitting and not being in the sink and starting to dry a little bit. More water came out. Yeah, so the longer they sit, the drier they're gonna be. But I'm impatient, so into the bowl. There we go. Seasoning. I keep mine simple. Salt. Some pepper. Paprika. Using my third spoon for this project and still my second bowl. And yeah, that's about good. Come on. Time for this shit. There we go. Need your beer. Get back in there. And toss to coat. That was close enough to me. Put on your baking sheet. Get out! Give me a minute. Okay, we are going to spread them over our baking sheet as best we can. It's not a perfect sheet, it's not a perfect lay, but we are going to be turning these, so. Okay, pretty good. Okay. Middle rack, 300 degrees, and I'm going to check this in about 10 minutes. Timer. There we go. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, timer off. There we go. Ooh, watch the hot. It's starting to get a little aromatic. Still wet though, and we need them dry and crunchy like we buy in the store. We're gonna give them a stir. Hot, 300 degrees hot. Why are you doing that to yourself? Oh, there we go. That's good enough for now. I'm gonna give this one 15 minutes. Okie dokie. Do not burn yourself. Okay, how are they looking? Starting to get there. These are hot, don't do this. I'm gonna give them probably another 15 minutes. I like mine really crispy and dry, so. Yeah, they're not dry all the way through yet. La 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 la. Okay. Okay. I like them dark like this, so give them a little toss. 15, 15, and 10 is, yeah, another 10 minutes, I think. All right. Come here, my snacks. Ooh, I like that. Like a nice crunchy dog. Taste test. They're still sizzling. Yeah. They're done. So store these in an airtight container when they cool to room temperature, and they should be good for a couple of days. Happy Halloween, guys!